November, week 2, writing lesson, first grade, a thank you letter plan. We're going to make a plan for a thank you letter for your Halloween costume, and then we'll turn it into an actual letter with these beautiful sheets of paper. You'll see them. Some of them have stars and stripes, and some of them have other decorative borders, some silver on some of them. Gideon, could you bring me a sheet of paper from the bottom writing shelf? Not the ones with a person on them, but the other ones with like stars and stuff. Yeah. Thank you. So this will be a different work. This will be writing work 4. But what you'll do is you'll take your plan and turn it into an actual letter. And then it goes to mom or dad or whoever helped you. Okay? So up here we're going to put the day, which is, it's the 11th month. And then you make a slash. Yeah.
I kind of already knew it.
And it's the second day, so you put a 2. And then another slash. And then you guys know it's 2020?
Yeah.
So you're just going to write 20. And then dear. And for me, the person that always helped me was my mom, but it could be your dad or a grandma. Right?
Both of my parents.
Both of them.
I'm from Peppermint too.
Yeah, I'm going to put both of mine maybe. Okay.
Neither of mine. Like 3 of mine.
Now, if you say my mom, you don't need a capital. And if you say Alaric's mom, you don't need a capital. But the minute you just say mom like that, you have to put a capital. And the same with dad.
What if nobody knows?
Oh. Nobody helped you with any of it?
No.
Oh. Well, then put that then.
My dad emotionally helped me, not even my mom.
And now I have some keywords here, and I'm going to read them to you. It says costume, Halloween, thank you, like, spooky, cute, fluffy, funny, sparkly, black, red, crazy, orange, scary, wings, tall, mask, shoes, cape, hat, love, and because. All right? So what do you think the first word should be? I think it should be thank you. That's our first keyword. Now we're not going to write thank you for my Halloween costume, but we're just going to write keywords. So there's thank you. And since you used it, you can cross it off. What do you think our next keyword should be? Alaric, what do you think? Do you guys think maybe it should be Halloween? Okay.
Thank you, Halloween.
Well, we're not writing for mine. We're just writing the most important words, okay? So we've got thank you and Halloween. And this is for you, Anna, if you give it to me, put it on your clipboard and give it to me, I'll go do a little ghost trick and get you called up, okay?
That pencil's on mine now. Does Halloween have 2 views?
Yes, it does.
Yeah, exactly. Cursive, it's the easiest. Oh, we did those.
And then what do you think our next keyword should be?
Oh, actually,
Well, are we thanking Mom and Dad for Halloween? No, Halloween is thousands of years old. It's one of the oldest celebrations. So I don't think your mom and dad had a whole lot to do with it. So what are you thanking them for? With your
Costume.
costume. Do you think that would be a good next keyword?
Yeah.
Okay, so cross off Halloween. And gonna go ahead and cross off costume. It's way up high at the top of it. And now, what do you want to say to them? This, you just wrote, dear Mom and Dad, thank you for my Halloween costume, but you only wrote the keywords, right? What do you think the next thing we could say? You could say, I like or love. We've got love and like. So you could put either of them. Love is the second to bottom word, and like is the next word under the ones you've crossed off. I'm going to go ahead and put love, but you can put like if you want.
Wait, where should we write it?
On this next line. So I'm going to put love. But I know that in the real letter, I'm not going to put that. I'm going to put I love. Alright? And then we have a lot of different adjectives. You could say, I love how it's spooky, or I like how it was cute. I like how it was fuzzy. I love how it was funny. I liked that it was sparkly. I loved that it was black. I loved that it had red. I loved that it was crazy. I liked how it had orange. I liked that it was scary. Or you could write, I liked the wings. I liked how it made me tall. I liked the mask. I liked my shoes. I liked my cape. I loved my hat. So think of one thing from here.
Mine wasn't any of those. Cause I was black.
Did you like the shoes?
No,
Okay.
because we just wore.
Okay. What color was it? You can
Black and white.
Okay, well, you've got the word black right here in the middle. And so you could write, I like how it had black in it. Okay?
Can I write black and white?
Yeah. I'm going to write, I love. I'm thinking about when I was a little girl, I had one with wings, and I loved my wings, so I'm going to put wings. Okay, what are you going to put?
Black.
You can put black.
Black with this here, okay? Okay, there's black with this here, okay? This here, okay?
With you can look right here. So do you like that it had white?
It didn't have white at all.
What did it have?
It had black and white.
Okay, why don't you put that? Okay, one of those colors. Put one of those colors.
I'm gonna get
Now, at the very bottom, there's a closing, and then your name. The closing means you write sincerely, or yours truly, or love. Okay. Since it's your mom and dad, you should probably write just love. You don't need to write yours truly or sincerely, because it's your mom and dad. What if it was to, what if you were grown up and you were writing this letter to the mayor? What would you put, love?
No.
No, you would put sincerely, right? But we're just going to put love. And that goes here. And the closing, just like a greeting, gets a capital. And then your name. And this. Once you're done writing your plan, don't lose it, because you can use it on another day to do your actual letter. And you're going to turn your keywords into sentences and write your actual thank you letter to your mom and dad.